Tucked in the middle of Oklahoma sits the small community of Okarche, and this is where Temtrol, world-renowned industry leader of high-quality commercial and industrial air handlers, finds its home.
Temtrol was started in 1955 by Ambrose and Inez Keyser. They were my grandparents, and they put together their life savings and started the business here. And he was starting with farm boys, had 15 original employees, and had to teach them the business. And they went 9 months after they started. They secured their first order from Tinker Air Force Base in Oklahoma City. So the first product we shipped was to Tinker, and it was a coil. And we're still in the replacement coil business today. Still have lots of equipment and orders with Tinker, but obviously over the years we've expanded quite beyond that.
Temtrol is known as an industry leader in high-quality custom and semi-custom commercial and industrial air handlers. Temtrol is dedicated to customer service and working closely with their clients to guarantee the units they select fit their needs.
You can imagine when people are building buildings all around the world, whether they're airports or casinos or office towers or manufacturing plants, they don't build those facilities around the equipment. They build the facilities to provide the service that it's intended for. So the equipment is secondary. So there's actually a huge market for custom equipment because our equipment fits the needs of the building owner as opposed to trying to fit a building to equipment that's already pre-engineered.
For years, Temtrol experienced steady growth and contemplated how to go about growing its business without leaving the loyal community of Okarche. Lean manufacturing kept entering the conversations, and that's when Oklahoma manufacturing extension agent Mike Raymond entered the picture.
And I think probably the first thing I saw was when they introduced a manufacturing engineering department within Temtrol that they'd never had in the past. And that's really when the Manufacturing Alliance and myself, we started working with Temtrol, and change started to happen, and manufacturing started to flow better, and the products got better, which makes the customer base happier.
We didn't have a whole lot of resources, so Mike and the Alliance helped us engage Oklahoma State University and their classes, and they took some projects to help us map out the process flows. It all came together to help Temtrol, take this small rural company and really increase our sales, and our sales have increased well over 20% since we collaborated on this. When you build engineered products, you really need a team. You need a solid team. You need a lot of good people working together to make these things happen.
Temtrol has really grown from the time that I first met them 9 years ago to where they are today. And they continue to grow, and they continue to do that because they recognize that you have to have great people to be successful.
Through its partnership with Redlands Community College, Canadian Valley Technology Center, and the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance, Temtrol has set the bar high. And with more than 380 employees and a passion to succeed, we are proud to present the Oklahoma Manufacturing Leadership Award to Temtrol.